So in this lecture, I am talking about the basic conceptual background of linear equation in two variable. So come to the point, that is linear equation in two variable. So this topic is very important for the development of programming language and some conceptual backgrounds of computer related techniques. So what is that? Is MS Word, MS Excel, which is the basic importance of linear equation in two variable. So the computer industry or computer science should be varied the basic performance of linear equation in two variable. So how to classify or how to learn linear equation in very simplified methods? So come to the point. So first is standard form. First lecture or first point is a standard form. So what is the standard form of linear equation in two variable? So standard form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a standard form of linear equation. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a standard form of linear equation. So in this lecture a comma b comma c belonging to R, बघा की in this lecture a comma b comma c belonging to R means what? This is the standard form of linear equation. So come to the first point, linear equation in two variable. So standard form of linear equation. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a standard form of linear equation. So in this lecture here a comma b comma c belongs to R. So in this lecture R means what? So R is the real number. R means what? R is the real number. C means what? C is the constant. Then x comma y. X comma y is called as variable. And means what? So standard form of linear equation. Which is the standard form of linear equation? So ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So here a comma b comma c belonging to R. So R is the real number. Real number means what? So what is the definition of real number? Real number is the set of rational and irrational number. And C means what? Constant. X and y be the variables. So variable means what? So vary value. Variable means what? So vary value is called variable. Suppose if this is the standard form of linear equation. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of linear equation. So in this lecture a is the real number and multiply with x. X is the variable. So ax means what? A is the real number and x is the variable, plus b is the real number and y is the variable and c is the constant term. So which is the basic form? So means what? 2x, for example 2x plus 3y plus 10 is equals to 0 is the standard form of linear equation. So this equation can be converted into simplified form. So 2x plus 3y. So in this case here plus 10. So comes to the or go to the is equal go to the this side. So is equal to minus 10. So 2x plus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. So during the mathematical situations or some basic mathematical operations operated on this equation, so 2x plus 3y is equal to here plus 10, so goes to this side, so 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 10. This is the equation. So 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 10. So this equation compared to this equation means what? So here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So 2x plus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. So comparing with this equation, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. So standard form comparing with the example equation. So ax, here x and x, so value of a is equal to 2. Simple compare this equation. So by is equal to 3y, so b is equal to 3 and c is equals to 10. So this is the basic value. So a comma b comma c belonging to 2 comma 3 comma 1 belonging to R. These are the real number. In this case c is equal to 10, that is c is the constant. So this is the basic background of linear equation in two variable. So in this lecture stop here, and so tomorrow's lecture or next lecture continue the basic methods of linear equation in two variable. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.